Is there anything like mood swing?
Yes, there is.
What do you mean by mood swing, if there is? Meaning you are saying when you get angry, you don't know the reason why you're angry, or what? I don't understand.
Yes. Something like that.
You don't know why you're angry.
No, it just comes.
It just comes.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yes, there is.
So you mean someone can be angry without knowing the reason?
Possible.
Possible.
Yeah.
Have you ever experienced it?
Yeah, yes.
You sure you don't know? You don't know why you're angry that morning or what?
I'll just wake up and you feel like you are just tired of everything. You don't know what makes you angry.
Is there anything like mood swing?
There's always mood swing.
Are you answering on behalf of ladies or for the men? Generally.
Yes. It's
So
in ladies, it's in guys, it's everywhere. So it depends on you how you handle it.
you mean someone can be angry without knowing the reason why he or she is angry?
Definitely. Definitely. Sometimes they will say you woke up at the wrong side of the bed. But so what do you say to that?
Okay. Thank you very much.
All right, you're welcome.
Yeah. My mood is swinging right now. What we call mood swing is an excuse for women to misbehave. There is nobody on the face of earth that doesn't know why he or she is sad or angry. Actually, mood swing exists. It means an abrupt change of state of emotion, meaning suddenly change of mood, and it's not always negative. You can be sad and automatically something happen, you become happy. That is mood swing. People say, how come? No, you are angry. No, you are happy. No, you are happy. No, you are angry. That is actually mood swinging, changing suddenly. But that doesn't mean that if you change your mood, you don't know the reason why you are angry or happy. If mood swing include happiness, will you tell me you don't know the reason why you are happy? Of course, everybody knows the reason why he or she will wake up happily. Therefore, you also equally know the reason why you are sad. Thank you and God bless you. I'm out.